In this video, I will show you how you can turn off the auto rotate feature on your iPad. If you want to turn off the auto rotate feature so you could lock the orientation of your iPad, then doing that is very simple. First of all, just open the control center on your iPad, and over here you will find this lock icon. Now to turn off the auto rotate feature, just enable this lock icon and you will lock the orientation of your iPad. And as you can see, if I try to rotate my iPad will not rotate since we have disabled the auto rotate feature. Now, if you're unable to find this lock icon in the control center, then do not worry. Now to add this lock icon to the control center, just tap on the empty space in the control center, then select add a control. Now in the search bar, just search this. Now just select orientation lock to add the orientation lock icon to the control center. Now after that, just tap on anywhere on the screen to save the changes. And from here, you will be able to lock the orientation of your iPad, just like that. And this is how you can turn off the auto rotate feature on any iPad. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.